Good evening and welcome to Lesson 3, Making Badges. I've used Premiere, Photoshop, and Animate to create something in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. First, I saw my size constraints were 175 by 175 pixels, so I made the screen exactly 175 by 175. Then using my shape tool, I drew a circle with a black outline, a white circle with a black outline. I constrained proportions holding the shift key and repeated the process to make a smaller inner circle, which I then used as a type on layer. I typed with a typo on purpose to come back to that. So indeed it says Adobe Educator Exchange Contributor. I used my white arrow and I moved that around the arc to look better. So I was out there and wondered if I should reinvent the wheel or I should find some clip art and teach you how to live trace. Now I use live trace pretty frequently when I'm doing t-shirt designs at work. So I used live trace set to 3 colors and then using my white arrow selected the anchor points that were extraneous, leaving me with the light bulb only for my objects to move. I then set the size down to 160 just so it would be easier to see when I move for design purposes. Copy and pasted it to the other document. I then resized it and drug it to the center, and there you have my badge. That is indeed a vector image. Then I went and decided I needed to use a spell check function because as a teacher, I can't tell you how many times students misspell things. So I did indeed use a spell check. Then I made the adjustment to my layer and I exported it as requested as a PNG file for distribution as a lovely vector image. Well, that's all I have for you tonight, folks, and thank you so much. And as always, if you want more information on who I am, please visit me at angiemilliron.com. Have a great night.